Good morning, student. I welcome everyone to the science class. I really appreciate the student. Those who are all completed your assignment on time and last week. Very good, children. Keep it up. Today we are going to start the new lesson, that is unit 4, science in everyday life. In this lesson, we are going to learn know the nutrient value of milk, explore the benefit of cooking, learn about the baking of bread, biscuit, and cake, know about the gadget used in daily life. First, we'll discuss the milk. Milk is produced by some animal for the raising their young one. So, milk is a valuable nutrient. It is good for the bones since it offers the rich source of calcium. The next is the source of the milk. The milk is primarily obtained from the manual. They are obtained from other source too. Other source examples are soya milk, nuts, using the nut to make a milk. So also the other source nuts and the sheep based milk. So these are the other source of milk. Next is based on the amount of fat present in the milk. It can be classified as a whole milk, low fat milk, and fat free milk. Next is a nutritional value of milk. Milk containing water, sugar, protein, fat, vitamin, and minerals. First, we see the sugar. Milk has sweet taste because it has a special sugar is called lactose. Next is the protein. It helps us to build the muscles. Next is a fat. Fat present in the milk is called butter. Butter is more delicious than any other fat. Next is the vitamins. Vitamins D in milk help us to maintain the bones. Mineral. Calcium is a mineral. It helps us to build healthy bones and teeth. These are the nutrition value of milk. Next, to move on to the milk in daily life. So the primary food, it is the primary food for the babies. It gives curd, butter, milk, and ghee. A healthy drink for adult and sick people. So milk is a healthy drink for adult and sick people. Next is used to for making cheese, paneer, and milk sweets. So we used to milk to making these items. Next, used in making a ice cream and chocolates. We use the milk. Used during the festival and ceremonies. Next, the healthy benefit of milk. It is the strengthen bones and teeth. It maintains a blood pressure. It reduces the risk of heart disease. A last one, it is a source of energy. It is a source of energy. Food materials. What is a food? Food is one of the basic need for our life. It is usually made by cooking plant or animal. It's containing essential nutrient to keep our body healthy. Food provide the energy. So next, the needs of food. So it's give the energy, promote the growth, improves the immunity, help our body repair itself. These are the needs of food. Next is food can be classified into two types. One is raw food. So raw food is the food that does not have to cook to eat. Example, fruit, carrot, groundnut, and sheet. Next is cooked food. Cooked food is a food that has been cooked to eat. Example, rice, vegetable curry, and bread. Cooking. So, do you know how many food items are there that we will not able to without cooking? Yes, cooking is important. It make a food suitable consumption. Next is the method of cooking. So here the method of cookings we have the six type. First is the boiling, steaming, frying, deep frying, roasting, and grilling. These are the method we are cook our food. Benefit of the cooking. Cooking causes many useful changes in food. It make our nutrient ready for our digestions. It help us to make a food in the desired structure, flavor, and taste. And last one is it destroy the harmful microbes. Next is a baking of bread, biscuit, and cake. First, baking is a method of cooking. We use dry heat to bake. A bread, biscuit, and cake are some example for baked food items. First one is a bread. A bread is a common food product prepared from the type of baking. It is an important source of energy for the sick people. It is also one of the ancient food made by the human. Bread is a low-fat food. Next up, biscuits. Biscuit is a small flavor based baked food. They are generally made up of wheat flour and oats and sweetness with sugar. The biscuits are salty or sweet. Some biscuits have a cream in between. The main ingredient of the biscuits are flour, sugar, butter, water, milk, baking powder, and the flavor. Biscuits are made with the baking powder to make it airy. Next is a cake. Cake is a baked dessert. It is like a sweet bread. There are many variety of cake with specific ingredients. We use cake during the celebration. The ingredients of a cakes are flour, sugar, eggs, oil, baking powder, and flouring agents. Gadgets. Things of electrical device we use every day. The phone that we use, the camera that goes with us every vacation, the TV that watch for fun. All this device that we use are called gadgets. A gadget is a small electronic machine or device which does something useful. Examples for us laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, and speaker. So number of gadgets have they changed our life. They make our life enjoyable. Smartphones. Apart from the communication, smartphones have the ability to access the internet and store the file, take a photo, track the location, and much more. Next is a portable musical player. It store and play the thousands of songs. We can listen to songs anywhere and anytime. Next is the tablets. People use the tablets to read the book, play the game, and watch the videos. Next is a pen drive. It is a small gadget used for storing and transferring any type of file in from a computer. Next is a torchlight. So portable handhold electric light. Torch is used to provide the light in the dark place when it is switched on.